All right. So, just a little brief tutorial on how to get to Google Classrooms. I've had a few emails for students that were concerned they couldn't find the way back. So, if you go to Google.com and you see this page, for me, I have Google Chrome, so it automatically opens up to this. But if I click these 9 ellipses or these 9 little dots in the corner here, I should see Google Classroom as one of the options. In my particular browser, it's not. So if it's not here, then I could always just type in Google Classroom and do a Google search. So essentially, this is what I'm looking for in my 9 ellipses here. And now that I did a Google search, look at that. Now I see Google Classroom and I can click on it and it will bring me to my classes. Now, let's say you have to sign into another class, because I believe every one of my students are good to go. But let's say that you are not part of a Google Classroom yet. You're going to notice this little plus symbol in the top right corner of your browser. If you click on that, you can click Join Class, and you should receive a code from your teacher. For me, my classroom codes are on my teacher website. So my teacher website will showcase those. And you could request that via email, or you could reach out to another teacher if you need to get that code for a particular class. Okay? And that's about it.